Okay, so good afternoon, everybody. Let's quickly get started. Um, Sorry for starting up a little bit late, due to one or two things. So this is Friday. Today is Friday, 13th of December, 2024, and there is no I mean, the only impact news we had has been, was 8 a.m. So no impact, no other impact news anymore, except for GBP, which is we came out negative, which is our GDP on pounds. We came out negative for pounds, right? So let's go straight to our MetaTrader, for our charts to see what we have this afternoon. Can you all see my chart? Can you all see my chart? Can you see my chart? Hello, can you all see my chart?
Hello, sir. We cannot hear you, please. The volume, there is no voice on it. Please,
Can
sir,
anyone hear me?
can you?
Yes, I can hear you.
So it's from your end, Mr. Paul.
Yeah.
Please,
Yes.
please check your site, sir. Thank you. Okay, so let's get started. Today is Friday, and we are still looking towards market sentiment. So I'm going to start with daily time frame. I'm picking this as my high. So let's say I pick this as my high and my low here, right? So I'm picking out the resistance and support levels that we have in the market. Then we go to 4 hours time frame. Then we have this resistance. So what am I expecting for the market? I'm expecting market to break this low. So I'm expecting market to break this low here. Once we have a break of this low, then we can now look towards selling Euro USD. Although the market has created a lower high here, which has confirmed the inverted head and shoulder pattern. I mean the head and shoulder pattern here. So we are heading towards 106.420 region. The 15 minutes time frame is still the same thing. We have a break of structure here. So we need probably, if I see a rejection on USDX, if I see a rejection on USDX around here, then I'm going to sell dollar. If I see a rejection of USDX around this level, I'm going to sell dollar. So I go to my candlesticks, I can see we have multiple rejections. So two things I'm expecting. Number one, I'm still pushing down for a bearish sentiment, probably price to go down to this 1 hour low at 106.298, which means that USDX is very bearish. And as market has failed to cover this gap, so we are looking down to 106.298 as a pure sell. So let's look at what Euro USD has for us. Okay, so let's look at Euro USD. Same thing, daily time frame, right? Yeah, and change to my line charts to see what exactly the market is saying or doing or what have you. So I take this as my low. Also, take this as major low, right? Then I take this as another resistance. So I just mark out resistance point on daily time frame. I go to 4 hours. So like I said, until market breaks this 105.063 region, then we can think of buying Euro USD because we already have an head and shoulder pattern around here. So something like market is forming something like an head and shoulder pattern. Yep. Do you understand? So we have this just in the break, the markets move to the top side. Okay, so that is my own literal bias for Euro USD, and I would just love to see a break of the previous high on lower time frame, like probably 1 hour time frame. Okay, we have a break here, so I'll just wait for proper retracement or hopefully a retest around this zone. I'd love to see a retest around this level, right? Not to see a retest around this level before I look towards buying or selling, because this level is a 4 hour strong zone. So anything can literally happen, right? So a retracement up to this zone will give me more reasons to buy a Euro USD. So what am I expecting? A sell to buy scenario, like a form of retracement. So we could have something like this. Market moves down, tap into this, or probably rejects at this level and continue moving to the upside. So that is my bias, because we have market breakout is high. Also, as breaks out this low. Okay, so it breaks out that high and also breaks out this low, right? So we have this pattern telling us we are currently heading towards bullish sentiment. We're currently heading towards bullish sentiment. So we are in a retracement phase, and I'm not going to give us any signal. Just wait for price to get to 1.04770 region before we enter into the market. Okay, so before we enter into the market. So that is my bias for Euro USD. So let's look at USD card, right? Now for USD card, it's giving us another buy, right? So I literally marked this area, right? For USD card, let me mark this high because this high was broken. So this high is a high, the small high that was broken, and this is the low, showing that we are still in the what? What trend are we on USD card? Who can tell me? We are still in the what? For USD card, what trend are we? Uptrend. That's good. So we are expecting a retracement. Yeah, we are expecting a proper retracement down to probably this zone. So my highs and lows, a retracement before we buy. You can see that both Euro USD and USD card, they are just moving literally the same way, which is not supposed to be, right? I'm moving the same way, which is not supposed to be. So these are some of the effects of end of the year trade. Okay, these are some of the effects of end of the year trade. So 1 hour time frame, we have price, you know, until price breaks this low. If price can break this low and probably retrace, then I'm going to sell USD CAD. Okay, price breaks that low and retrace, and I'm going to sell what? USD CAD. So you can see this is a low I want price to break. So I expect price to break this low and probably retrace, then we'll sell down to this level. So USD CAD is literally bullish. We are just in a retracement phase. So two things is going to go for around here. When we have, I'm having some contraction around here, there's an out zones and all that. So what will just happen is if price could break this high, right, this previous high, wait for retracement, they will start buying USD CAD. Or if price does not probably reject end of the high, they will sell down to this level at first. And this is the low that I will love to see that gets broken. This low, I would love to see it 1.42104 before I determine or decide what to do. So we are still waiting. We can also draw a trend line here using a line chart. So you can draw a trend line, right? So a break, you can also use a break of this trend line to determine your chart. So here's a card. I'm waiting for a breakout to the top side. Euro USD. I'm still looking at the Euro USD also. So market is not literally as clear as it is for now for me. So we just wait for whatever it is. But it's glaring that USDX is an uptrend. I think I said it yesterday. If you are in our analysis class, I said it yesterday that USDX is in an uptrend, right? So let's see. Here, we can take this as our low. This is our low, right? This is our low. Then we have this as the high, right? So price has not broken that high. So let's see what will happen. And what I would love to see in this place, if I want to sell USD card, I love price. I mean, just say I like price to break this low, this point. I'd love for us to break this point, right? So we could have something like this. Price could literally retrace down, break, and retrace, then before selling down to any of these zones, right? And also, we've had something like formation of an head and shoulder pattern that is not fully clearing. That's not fully clearing. So 1 hour time frame is still the same. Look at this low. We look at this low. We look at this low, support become resistance, and it's love to see price retrace down. So this area is the area I'm looking out for. I'd love to see USHF fall down for now to that level. We can see we have so I've been tempted to say to sell USHF down to this zone, but let me see. If you are going to sell, probably it's a sell stop order. How many pips? It's about 10 pips. It's small, right? It's very, very small, and stop is about 14 pips. So let's just see what will happen. This is Friday. I've not gotten the full confirmation, but I wanted to say I'm tempted to say we should sell USDCHF. Let me see 1 minute time frame also. If I look at line charts, this 5 minutes, we already have a break of structure, a retracement. I mean, USDCHF is giving me that bearish vibes, and can you see support become resistance? The reversal has already happened. Okay, but we just need to hopefully, probably we could use a sell stop order for USDCHF. Sell stop here. Then we have CP1 to be here, CP1 here, CP2 here, yeah, maybe, but never can tell. So let's see what will literally happen at USDCHF. Okay, so let's go to GBP USD. The reason why I didn't give that signal is I've not yet seen a cool confirmations. AUD USD, I think I will be very bullish on AUD USD. I would love to buy AUD USD. Let's see what I was saying. Okay, daily. It's a little bit dicey here. So I want to see clearly on line chart, we have this high price breakout is low. We need a proper retracement, but then there are still some demand zone around this level that we also need to look out for. So I've not seen, okay, this is a solid reversal pattern around here. So we have a solid reversal pattern around here. And then AUD would be a very good buy. Okay, is this broken? Let me see, 30 minutes. Okay, yeah, this has been broken. So we need a retracement to buy. AUD-USD is a good entry for a buy. So probably we could use a buy stop order for AUD-USD. Let me see, buy stop loss 19 pips, TP1, TP2. Okay, let's see. AUD-USD, a buy stop. Buy stop. TP1 is here. TP2 is here. Then we have stop loss here. So AUD-USD, buy stop. Okay, so I want to write it in our funded client group. Buy stop at 0.63743, SL 0.63553, GP1 0.63928, GP2 0.63, sorry, 64097. That's a buy stop for that. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so let's continue. Let's look at gold. I mean, gold is outrightly bearish. Gold is outrightly bearish. And I'm going to show you why gold is bearish and why we have been selling gold. Why we are going to sell gold for a very long time. So when we look at line chart, right? When we look at line chart, we literally see this level on the line chart, this one, right? Why? Because this was a strong support become resistance and market rejected this level also at this level. And this is a very strong demand zone right here. So we have a strong demand zone here also. So if I go to 4 hours time frame, we will see that at this point, we've seen a very strong reversal pattern. We have a double bottom here. We have market break this structure and retraces down to this low. I mean, I want to show you. So we have price break this low, right? And if I show you using the line chart, you'll see a rejection of market. So where are we headed? We are headed down to 2635.65. Now, do we have an entry? We are going to wait for a proper retracement before we sell gold. So we will need to wait for a retracement before selling gold because gold is currently extremely very bearish. And when we see here, we see a head and shoulder pattern, market break structure retraces down and starts selling. So gold is bearish, right? Gold is bearish, but we can't enter. I can't enter the market now, and I can't tell you to sell because gold is two things very close to the support level, also very close to another support level. So we need to be very careful. But gold is very, very bearish. But then if you can risk it, if you can risk gold, no problem. If you feel you can risk gold, no problem, right? But gold is very, very bearish. So Euro USD, we're kind of bullish. I'm very looking at some bullish sentiment for Euro USD. And USDX, like I said, my sentiment for USDX kind of bearish down to 106.4298 region. In fact, if this current candle closes like this, I'll sell Euro USD. I mean, I'll sell USD. All pair that has USD as the base or the quote. So we still need to be very, very patient, except for AUD USD that I literally looked at. And I said I'm going to put GBP USD. Also, if you have any pair that you want us to look out for, kindly say it now so that we can look out for those pair. If you have any pair you want us to look out for, just identify right now so we can put you through on those pairs. Okay, so this is GBP USD. So for GBP/USD, I would literally look forward to some bullish sentiment here on daily time frame because we have a breakup over here. And so 4 hours time frame, we have the rejections, right? Well, I'm still bullish on GBP/USD because we have a break of this high and market has not broken this low, right? So we still need to be extra patient to see what will literally happen for GBP/USD. But my bias still stands that I'm bullish on GBP/USD. So this is just the retracement phase. Let's see how it will play out. And this downtrend is not I would say it might not be a very, very long time bias. Market could get to this level before moving to the upside to get to this resistance, become support level, or probably reject that demand zone on 15 minutes. So there's no entry on GBP/USD, so we just need to be patient and see what will literally happen afterwards. Today is Friday actually, and we just need to trade with proper care and don't over leverage your account. Please, I beg you. So last one for today, someone says look at digit 30. So you can see our resistance in terms of support, we have a bigger structure. So we are still what? We are still bullish. Okay, so we are still very, very bullish for digit 30. If you are selling digit 30,
Please, sir.
yes?
Please, I'm just entering now. Please, have you analyzed GBP JPY?
No, I have not.
Okay, sir.
Do you want me to analyze it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there's a high, 1 hour time frame. So we have the high and the low. Okay, so the higher time frame is bullish. We look at here. So this is my destination is here, right? This is my high. So I'll use this black line. This is 4 hours high, right? So we just need a proper retracement on probably 15 minutes time frame. So we need a retracement because this high was broken. So I will mark out this level because this was a previous high. You can see break of structure and it breaks. So these areas are areas I'll look for a proper retracement. You could take a short sell for Dow Jones, probably take it to be one here. TP1 should be here. Yeah, TP2 should be here. So Dow Jones, that's that. I'm looking for a sell to buy scenario for Dow Jones. So market is currently here. You can sell Dow Jones, but I don't want to give the signal because Dow Jones is very, very crazy here. So you can sell Dow Jones, first TP 44055. Even if this current candle close bearish, but this first TP will be hit, and we have second TP as 44025 reaching. So I'm selling Dow Jones. If you're on Dow Jones, you can look for selling Dow Jones. So somebody said, last person says, look at GBP JPY. Let's look at GBP JPY. So for GBP JPY, high, No. Okay. There's a change of structure here, highs and lows. So I'll look at what is happening here. The order flow is bullish though. So 1 hour time frame. We have a bit of structure here. Just take out this low. So we need a retracement. I think I'll be bearish on GBP/JPY, but I have not seen a good entry. So this is another supply zone. This is another supply zone that I'm looking towards. That's another supply zone that I am looking towards. 15 minutes. So we are still going to be patient for GBP/JPY, although the bias has been changed. We have a break of structure at the top and bottom, just in the retracement before market continue moving to the upside. But I am not going to see much buys anymore. I think I would love to see sellers coming in on GBP/JPY. So if you are trading GBP/JPY, hopefully you should wait for a proper sell before you buy. Okay, before you enter, look for sell entry and probably take TP at the nearest support level. I think I'll be able to answer your questions. So I think that's that for today's afternoon analysis. I said I'm bearish on dollar down to 106.298. So you're going to use that as a yardstick for our analysis. Euro USD, I'm bullish on USD. I gave a signal on AUD USD. Gave a signal on USD USD, and a buy stop signal is written on our chart and also on the funded client group. I'm bearish on USDCHF, so you could use a sell stop order on USDCHF. I think I should drop the USDCHF signal. Sell stop order USDCHF. USDCHF. Sell stop at 0.89322. SL 0.89438. TP1 0.89151. TP2 0.8904. Okay, so that is that for this afternoon analysis. That's that for this afternoon analysis. Please, once you are trading, just apply proper risk. Why are you getting frustrated, Mr. Paul? It's not my fault. I think it's from your end. Maybe you should log out. Don't worry. You can watch the video on YouTube. We are going to post it on YouTube, so you can watch the video immediately. So I'm bearish on USD card as well. It's from your end, not here, please. So AUD USD, bullish, buy stop. GBP USD also. You're looking towards the buy stop. Dow Jones, I'm looking at bearish. GBP/JPY, I'd love to see a bearish sentiment for GBP/JPY and all that. So thank you very much, everybody. Have a wonderful trading day. Today is Friday. Please apply proper risk management and all that. Have a wonderful trading day, everybody. Good afternoon.